Elephant and the Dog. Once, a traveling circus was passing by the town. It led an elephant through the streets as a chief attraction. A crowd had gathered to look at him. Suddenly, a pug dog came out of the corner. The moment he saw the elephant, he dashed at him and started barking loudly. A shaggy old man shouted at him, "Stop your noise, puppy. This is absolutely ridiculous. Do you think you can fight an elephant? You have been barking so fiercely and still the elephant is intact at its place. It hasn't moved at all and is not paying attention at you." "Yes, yes," said the pug. "That is what makes me so brave. I don't have to fight and still people think that I am very savage animal. I am very clever and prodigal as well. I use my mind to trick everybody." The other dogs would say, "Look at that pug, he is so brave, else he would not have dared to bark at an elephant." The Boastful Geese. A farmer was taking some geese to the town to sell. He had a long rod in his hand and was hurrying them. So the geese complained to every person passing by, "We are so unfortunate. This farmer is driving us so roughly, as if we are common, ordinary geese. The farmer does not know that he needs to respect us. We are the descendants of famous geese that once saved Rome from destruction." One of the passers-by asked him, "But why do you expect people to respect you today?" "Why, yes, our fathers, the geese of Rome, I know. But what I am asking you is that what you have done. Why should people honor you? Why? Nothing. Then why should you expect people to respect you? Let your fathers sleep in peace. They had received their reward. But you geese are fit only to be roasted." Evenwich and His Sisters. Evenwich had 3 sisters. The first was Princess Maria, the second was Princess Olga, and the third was Princess Anna. After the death of their parents, the sisters married 3 wizards. Princess Maria married the falcon, and he took her away into his own realm. Princess Olga married the eagle, and he took her and carried her off to his own kingdom. Princess Anna married the raven, and he bore her away into his own realm. Prince Evan was now alone. He had to live without his sisters. After a year, he set off in search of his sisters. During his search, he met Maria Morvina, the beautiful warrior princess, and married her. After a few days, she went for a war. Before leaving, she warned Evan not to open the door of the dungeon in the castle they lived in. But Evan wanted to know what was there in the dungeon. So, as soon as she left, he opened the door. The death of Koschei the Deathless. Inside the dungeon, Evan found Koschei chained and gaunt. Koschei asked for some water and Evan gave him. Koschei drank 12 buckets of water and his magical powers returned. He broke the chains and disappeared. Soon, Evan got to know that Koschei had taken Maria Morvina away with him. Evan chased him. Evan took over Koschei. He told Evan to let him go, but Evan didn't give in. Koschei killed him, put his remains into a barrel, and threw it into the sea. Evan was revived by his sister's husbands, powerful wizards who could transform into birds of prey. The wizards told Evan that Koschei had a magic horse, and Evan should go to Baba Yaga to get one too. Without it, he won't be able to defeat Koschei. Evan passed all Baba Yaga's tests and got the horse. A fierce battle took place and Koschei was defeated. Evan burnt his body. Maria Morvenna returned to Evan and they celebrated Evan's victory with his sisters and their husbands.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.